Hello everyone. Here we are meeting for the first time and I have sent you a question paper. We are going to discuss it today. So, let us begin with the first one. I will be providing you with the correct approach and hint that when you are given the questions which are mixed from all the chapters, how you are going to work on it. And there is a trick in doing it. So, here the first one. For transformation microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded from gene gun are made up of. Have a look at the options and you would see that this is a direct question from the textbook. Answer is D, gold or tungsten. This is from the biotech. Here it is given in the textbook itself. This is not a twisted question at all. This is a direct question. So, for doing such type of questions, I would suggest that you should read the textbook line by line for the MCQs. You will see that many of the questions would be like this. So, this one is a direct question. Now, the second one. Depending upon the distance between any two genes, which is inversely proportional to the strength of linkage, crossovers will vary from. Now, here nothing like this is given in the textbook, but you have to use a common sense that the crossing over may take place, may not take place. So here it is given 0. So the first thing is, it is not compulsory that every time crossing over is going to take place, and hence you should select this option. Here it is given 50, 75, 100. So it means it is compulsory taking place, but we know that crossing over may take place, it may not take place, and only of these 4 options one is having 0. So we have to select this option. Go to the next one, the third one. The Sertoli cells are found in. Now, recall from the reproductive system of human beings, you will see that it is belonging to the human male reproductive. So, this cannot be the answer. This is for the female reproductive. This is about the hormones, that is the adrenal cortex and adrenaline, pancreas, and this is regarding the male reproductive. So you will select answer C for this. This is the correct answer. You have seen the approach that what we have decided. First, when we saw the question, we decided in mind that this is belonging to the male reproductive system. So we have found out from that all these 4, which one is the male reproductive system, that is the answer. We will move on to the next question. Here we are having a diagram. What do A, B, C and D represent? See, now here first we will see here they have given columns A, B, C and D. Which one do you think is like you are very much sure of? This D is the young one that is being made. So it has to be blastula. So blastocyst is in these 2. Now here B, fertilization is shown. So fertilization is in these two also. Again there is a confusion between B and C. Now look at over here, this layer C is the inner layer of uterus, that is endometrium. Here it is endometrium, here it is myometrium. So this would be the answer, and you are going to select Bombay as the answer. So I hope you have understood that how you are going to select the correct. So first, which you are very much sure, you first select that, and then you select those one or two options or three options which you find closest. See, this D, it can never be morula. So this and this option we have completely cancelled out and selected this, correct? So out of all this, whichever you are very much sure of, you have to first select that and stick to it. If you have understood this, let us go to the next one. Copper ions released from copper releasing intrauterine devices, IUD, copper T. What it does? Make uterus unsuitable, increase phagocytosis, that is sperms are eaten up, suppresses sperm motility, that is movement, and prevent ovulation. So how you are going to decide the answer? Is it the ions which are coming out from the copper T preventing ovulation? No, ovulation is going to take place. So this cannot be the answer. Make uterus unsuitable? It is not doing anything with the internal lining. It is suppressing the sperm movement. Copper ions are not going to eat away the sperms. So C is the answer for this. The next one, which one of the following correctly describes the homologous structures? For this you have to be perfect with the theory. What is the theory saying about the definition? Homologous, organs with similarities, structure similar, performing different function. So which are having same structures, like the human hand, then the wings of a bird, then the fin, all are having same structure but different function, correct? So you are going to select the first option itself. When you can do like this, when you know the definition perfectly well. Go to the next one. A person suffering from a disease caused by plasmodium experiences recurring chill and fever at the time when. What is going to happen? This question is from the effect of malarial parasite which is entering by the bite of the mosquito. Now, when the person is feeling cold and having fever, if you have gone through the diagram of the malarial parasite, then you would see that the parasite, after its multiplication inside the RBC, remember, why does a person feels shivering, chill? When the RBCs are broken down, then it is infecting the next fresh RBCs. So the answer is C for this question. Go to the next one. Number of histone proteins in each nucleosome core is 8. This is a very direct question. If you remember the diagram, 4 are easily visible from the front and 4 of them are at the back of it. Correct? So you can see there are many direct questions instead of the twisted ones. Ninth, sacred grooves are specially useful in creating awareness, preventing erosion, flow of water in rivers, conserving rare endangered species. Yes, this, the last one, D, is the answer, because you remember we are having the Jaintia, Khasi hills, all these examples. So they are conserving rare and threatened species. Go to the next one. Some important events in the human reproductive cycle are given below. Arrange the events in a proper sequence. So, secretion of follicle stimulating hormone, growth of the follicle, increase in this level, growth of corpus luteum, and ovulation should be the last thing. Ovulation, after ovulation, growth of corpus luteum. So it should be D first and then B. So the answer is Delhi. Here, this one in 10th, D is the answer. Let us move ahead to the next question. Here, now, given one, natural selection, variation, survival of the fittest, struggle for existence. According to Darwinism, which of the following represent the correct sequence in the origin of new species? So, here you will have to go through these events very carefully, and first should be the struggle, correct, and the last should be the natural selection. Nature has selected it, so it should be fourth event taking place the first, so fourth here, and nature is selected it. So this you will, so you have to like mentally see variations will take place in between. Survival of the fittest is an in between event. Now here next question is from evolution. There are two opposing views about origin of modern man. According to the one view, Homo erectus in Asia were the ancestors of the modern man. But the study shows that African origin of modern man. What kind of observation of DNA variation would suggest this? What is the reason for this? See, you will see that there is a greater variation in Africa than in Asia. So here you would find this question a little bit twisted. You will have to think over it. You cannot get a direct answer for this. Now, this is a direct question. Heroin is extracted from, all these are from your textbook, but you should know which is the source of which one. And this is the Papaver somniferum. Correct? So, which are the other ones also you should know that, only then you can cancel all the answers. Here a question regarding the genetics. Study the given pedigree chart of a certain family and select the correct conclusion. Here, now This is the male parent is affected, female is not affected. Out of them, one child male is completely saved. So, parents, the female parent is heterozygous, means carrying both the here this one, correct. Some it is giving it to the females are both affected, only one male is affected, male is not affected. So this is a hint showing that this female is heterozygous for the disease. 15th one, a mixture containing DNA fragment A, B, C and D with the molecular weight like this was subjected to agarose gel electrophoresis. The position of these fragments from cathode to anode sides of the gel would be, this is according to the weight. So here B plus C weight is greater than C, A is greater than B and D is greater than C. Individually you will have to think about it, and it shows that which is the highest one. D is the highest one, D is greater than C, so next is the C, and C is the total of these two. So first is D, second is C, third would be B, and last A is greater than B. So this would be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer is this, A in this. So this is about the common sense. You may say that it was not in the textbook, but something like this, correct? This is about the ecological pyramids. Which of the following representations shows the pyramid of number in a forest ecosystem? Now this is inverted. This is not possible that the producers are so less in a forest. Then this is also absolutely not possible. Number pyramid, so this and this you have to think from this two. Which of the following representations shows the pyramid of number in a forest ecosystem? This, okay, number of trees are less. If you count them literally, they would be less. And this, so it should be, the answer is Delhi in this. Go to the next one. When domestic, that is a house sewage, mixes with river water, small animals like rat will die, increase microbial activity, releasing iron, increase microbial activity, uses of oxygen, this is more possible, is still suitable for drinking? No. So I think this should be the answer. When home sewage is mixes with river water, microbial activity, microbes increase in such a manner that they use up the oxygen in the water. This should be the answer, correct? 18th, an improved variety of transgenic basmati rice does not require chemical fertilizer, gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A. Is completely resistant? No. Okay, no aroma. This. Now, cry protein and this produce toxins that control cotton bollworm and corn ball, cotton, tobacco. These and these are not possible. Out of these two, this will be the answer. cotton bollworms and corn borer respectively. Even if you find 2 to 3 questions very much out of your syllabus, it doesn't matter till you try to do the direct questions. In a Mendelian dihybrid cross, when heterozygous round yellow are self-crossed, round green offsprings are represented by the genotype. Round green would be capital R, should be there. This is not possible, this is not possible. And green, so it should be small y all the time, no small y, but this is not possible because here it is capital. It should satisfy both this. So round here, round, this is also round, this would be green, small y, green. So this is the answer for this. So likewise you should try that. What would be the resultant? See this one. In a double stranded DNA, the sequence of nucleotide on one strand is this: A T T G C C T A T 5 dash. So it is 3 dash. So answer should be starting from 5 dash. So 1, 2, 3 possibilities. A T. T means these two are possible. T T. A C G. G C. C G. T A. Here it is different. So this one is the answer. So you check each and every. Otherwise, in the rough page, you just try to write the direct answer of this. You have seen how I have tried one by one and then eliminated this one first, then selected these 3, then selected these 2, and one by one I have checked, and here I have reached, and this is the difference in these 2. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer of 21. Likewise you have to try. 22. Which of the following statements are correct? RNA polymerase transcribes, yes. 2 transcribes, okay. Polymerase transcribes, no, yes. So this is 1, 2 and 4, no. 1, yes. Okay, this is the first and the fourth is correct. So here you are having D is the correct answer. So up till now nearly 3 of them we found that they were tricky. Otherwise it's a smooth going, easy, quite easy up till now, directly from the chapters. This is in, you are going to do the matching, and in that try to find out which one is like you are very much sure about. Have a look at it carefully. Yes, see this, epiphyte on a mango branch is commensalism. Then is this a parasite? Ticks on dogs. What are ticks on dogs? The small insects which are sticking to the body of the dogs and they irritate them. By brushing you have to remove it. So predation